Mark, how do you view what Peter and I talked to the commissioner about earlier, this seemingly what's coming, the infusion of private equity capital into the NBA, inserting liquidity in the market? What do you see is pushing it, and how do you think teams will respond and would be investors?
Look, I think at the end of the day, the NBA is becoming, if it isn't, it's becoming one of the most popular franchise. I mean, one of the most popular leagues out there. And because of that, everybody wants to become a part of it. And people want to invest in it. So whether it's private equity, however it'll be, you're going to have more and more capital that comes in. I think in the beginning, it's a little bit of what Wyc said. I think when he got started, it was much more family-oriented businesses. And just as the value of these franchises goes up, you're going to end up seeing it more institutional investors. I mean, sports is the only thing you can't record. Like you can't go record and go watch it 3 days later. You want to see it live. You want to be part of that experience. And as everybody is trying to figure out what to do, it's going to be one of these unique assets that, in my opinion, the value is going to continue to grow over time.
Is there tension in what we just heard, though? Both of you agree that you're in it to win it. Numbers be damned. Private equity investors are not in it to win it, I don't think. Yes, they'll probably get a ring negotiated as part of their investment. They're in it to make money. Is there a tension there that makes this untenable?
No, because, Scott, I think, my answer would be that what those guys what those people are betting on over an 8-year, 10-year holding period is that there will be another mega billionaire who's going to have the urge to win and to be the person who takes the trophy from the commissioner on the world stage and holds it over his or her head. And that's kind of what we're selling here when we sell control of these teams.
Right.
And so, and so betting on that, that's why these teams used to be $3 million and then $10 million and $200 million. And now they're higher. And if that persists, it's because of the control owners out there in the future who want to be the person who takes the trophy and says they're a world champion. That's driving the value of these 30 pieces of art that we have hanging on the wall. They don't need to produce cash flow to be valuable.
I would add one thing. I think, I don't know when Lakem bought the Warriors. I think it was 10 years ago, right?
He sold out of the Celtics to do it.
Okay, so how long was that? 10 years?
It was 10 years ago.
10 years, yeah, 10,
if you think about it, 10 years ago, I think you paid, I don't know, 350, 400 million. So why are you guys valuing the team today at $5+ billion, right? And the reason is because the value of the franchise has gone up because they've won. And when you end up getting to the NBA finals and winning as many championships as they've done, the value of that franchise has gone up dramatically. And sort of winning ends up increasing the value. So I think for private equity or for everybody, everybody's on the same page that value creation is made by winning. That's just the way it is. So I think we all see that, and the more you win, the higher the value of your franchise.